Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really interesting to show you. Let's dive right in with a time lapse of bending an iron sheet into a rod in just a few seconds. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, have you ever wondered how iron sheets are transformed into sturdy rods? Well, today we're going to explore the fascinating process of bending iron sheets into rods using specialized tools. Get ready to witness some serious metalworking magic. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's address the elephant in the room. Bending iron sheets into rods manually can be quite a daunting task. The challenges are numerous, from achieving the perfect angle to ensuring uniformity in the bend. It's definitely not a walk in the park. But fear not, because we've got a solution that will make this process a breeze. Exploration/development. Enter the bending machine, a game changer in the world of metal fabrication. This powerful tool is designed to make bending iron sheets into rods a seamless and efficient process. Let me show you how it works. With just a push of a button, the machine effortlessly shapes the iron sheet into a perfectly curved rod. The precision and speed at which it operates are truly impressive. Climax/key moment now. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Watch as the bending machine showcases its true prowess. The iron sheet is fed into the machine, and within seconds, it emerges as a flawless rod. The precision and efficiency of this machine are unmatched, making it a must-have for any metalworking enthusiast. Conclusion/summary. In conclusion, the benefits of using machinery for bending iron sheets into rods are undeniable. Not only does it ensure accuracy and precision, but it also saves a significant amount of time. The efficiency of the bending machine is truly remarkable, revolutionizing the way metal fabrication is done. Call to action, CTA. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. I'd love to hear your thoughts on using machinery for bending metal, so be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.